make I quickly show you how we take the use variables and if statement for Python. You see this question really they see now. We set our score variable to 7 and we set our limit variable to 10. Wetin dat one mean na say anywhere wey we write score from now on, na 7 we dey write, and anywhere wey we write limit from now on, na 10 we dey write. Na how we take dey set variables for Python be dis. Now, we go use these variables wey we set inside if statement. Wetin we write here na the if keyword. Then we say if score plus 5 is greater or equal to limit, print passed. Now, remember say this score, we don set am to 7. That means for here, we just dey talk say if 7 plus 5 is greater or equal to this limit wey we say na 10. So, we dey talk say, okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. If 12 is greater or equal to 10, print passed. So, as you know, say 12 dey greater than 10. The computer go print passed, which means say our answer na D, passed. Now, you sef don know how to set variables and write if statement for Python. Congratulations.